During repairs, a transformer must be de-energized and its oil must be drained. Transformer windings may accumulate moisture due to their hygroscopic properties. Dry compressed air is necessary to prevent moisture from entering the transformer. Globecore designed the Mojave heat unit precisely for this purpose. Today we present the new generation of Mojave heat units. Due to modernization, the unit is now fully automatic. The operation of the unit is managed by a controller. The meticulously detailed program algorithm prevents mistakes, eliminating the human factor. Operating the unit requires no significant training due to the simple and rugged design of controls visualized on a plasma touch panel. The new Mojave Heat is capable of working in filled conditions, rain or shine. The unit is designed to dry and purify atmospheric air and dehydrate sorbents. The machine ensures a dew point of -50 degrees Celsius or 223 degrees Kelvin. The dry filtered air from an adsorber and a particulate miter filter is pumped for the transformer tank, facilitating a flow of fresh air for the maintenance personnel inside and preventing the atmospheric moisture ingress to the transformer windings. While one of the two absorbers dehydrates air for the transformer, the other absorber is being regenerated. Thus the cycle of dry air supply is uninterrupted. The high reliability of the unit is ensured by high-quality components in a protective cage. Many of the performance parameters may be upgraded on customer request. As one of the options, a dew point may be lowered up to -60 degrees Celsius. The paint coat will preserve the exterior and appearance of the unit for its entire lifespan. For more information, please visit our website at www.globecore.com.